Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is up, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day today. Today's video was actually one of my most requested videos I've gotten in a while. I always ask you guys to comment down below if y'all want to see a video, and 90% of the time y'all don't do it. So I was actually very surprised of how many comments I got from my last Yeezy video, Yeezy slide to be exact, on how to do a cleaning video on the Adidas Yeezy slide. So I make a lot of videos about Yeezy slides. If you came to this video off of a previous video on the Yeezy slide, then thank y'all for coming through. But the goal is 100K by the end of the year, man. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that sub button and also hit the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping these bangers. So as you guys pretty much seen in the B-roll of these, I did a video, multiple videos, showing my Yeezy slides. I was actually lucky enough to hit on a second pair, different colorway, like that dark oak colorway. But what I was telling you guys is it's a lot of pros and cons. I've made videos where I wore these for a month straight. I've made videos when I did live cops, and I even made videos on are they worth the money, are they worth the resale. But recently I did a video and I wore these for a month straight and they were super dirty, and I just kind of wanted to tell you guys like the performance side of it, not really how to clean them. But in that video you guys told me, hey, why not go ahead and clean the pair? So of course I did what I had to do. I throw these on again like every day for about 2-3 weeks. That's why it kind of took me a while to make this video. I had to use my everyday wear again, and it really wasn't too hard to get dirty because I mean this colorway here is so light, all scratches and scuffs come up. So we really gonna clean these down to our best ability. Now I'm not sure if this is like a foam or a rubber material, but regardless, it's very hard to make these look brand spanking new. I mean, they get creases in them just due to the foam. If you get, like, if you walk in them in water, like I do everything in these, bro. I go to the beach, the pool, like whatever. They're kind of like my daily runarounds. So depending on how you're using them may like differ the results, but in my opinion, this is the best way to do it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this really helps you. I got mine pretty much dirty, as you can see in the B-roll. We're just gonna try our best to get these back looking brand new. I kind of done it before, so I believe I can do it again. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna be using a few things that you definitely need. It's like necessities that you have to have in order to clean your Yeezy slides the proper way. The first thing we're gonna use is, of course, the Reshoevn8r sneaker cleaner solution, and this can be found at Reshoevn8r, which is linked down below. Also, they give you a collapsible bowl. If you buy like the signature cleaning kit, it comes with a collapsible bowl, I believe, and it also comes with a brush set. So this is what you need like for the immediate setup. Also, something that I do that might seem weird, but to me it definitely works. Right here I have an erase block that's on Reshoevn8r, and it's a part of the Draw Suede kit. I believe that this really helps on these Yeezy slides. It's not meant for this, but it helps. It's weird. I don't know why, what made me try it, but the scuffs that you get on your Yeezy slides are super hard to get off, and sometimes water and the Reshoevn8r solution just won't fix it. Sometimes I can like kind of just like rub them out with the suede brush, or not the suede brush, but with the erase block, and it helps me out. So you might need to get one of these too if you got a lot of scuffs on your Yeezys. Trust me, it really helps. And then like last but not least, I got the microfiber towel that you will need to just make sure that all the water is up when you get done cleaning off your shoes. So we're gonna basically just get these like a full wash. I'm gonna just wash the uppers first and just see how clean I can get these. And if we get them where I need it to be, then I'm gonna go ahead and go to work on it with the erase block from the Draw Suede kit. So let's pour some of this into it. I don't need really too much. And now I guess, man, we just go to work. So let's get to it. All right, that's pretty much it for the scrub down. I don't like to get these slides like soaked in water. In my opinion, like I never did like a performance test in water, but just from wearing them and having experience wearing them, they don't really react well to like being submerged in water, bro. So try your best not to wear these like me to the pool and stuff like that, because once you get out the pool and your feet soaking wet, you got to put your feet back inside your slides. I don't think it react well. I think that's why I got like a lot of creases and wrinkles in these, because I feel like the water just kind of loosen these up, and then when you walking and the shoe starts bending and folding, it just creases and stays like that. So try your best not to, you know, wear these when they wet. But I mean, after the first overall wash, these are straight, and this is what I mean. Like, you get the basic it get like the basic junk off of your Yeezy slides. So of course y'all seen these like before the video started. I mean, that one quick basic wash really took care of all the dirt and the grit that was on these, for sure, for sure. It's definitely like no problem on the upper, but I still do have a lot of scuffs on them. So one thing about Yeezy slides, I said this in previous videos, I don't know how it's possible, but bro, every time I wear these, I stumble and almost fall like 9 times a day, maybe even more. I don't know why. I don't know what the shoe has against me, but what that comes with is a lot of scuffs, especially around the front toe and the side, or even like the back heel, but mainly the 2 spots for me. Comment down below the 2 spots for you that you mainly have the most scuffs on, or you usually scuff the most, or the easiest. Is usually like this front for me, because I'm always stumbling like that, and the side part. So this is when I bring out the eraser from this dry suede kit, and I kind of just like hit those scuffs with this, and I feel like it really makes an adjustment. Sometimes it don't take it all the way completely out, but I definitely see a difference. So now I'm about to go to work with this. I'm gonna put this to the side and just try to go to work a little bit with the dry suede kit. So let me see. Alright, yeah, they look 100% better. I'm not gonna lie. And what's crazy is, I wanna let y'all know, the purpose of this dry suede brush is not for the Yeezy slide. I don't even know what made me try it, but it really works. The scuff marks that's on the side, you can't really get those, make those go away by just water and the solution, bro. You gotta do something else. But compared to where it was at in the beginning, bro, like it's not even close. This is like a whole new Yeezy slide, like 100%. Actually, matter of fact, I'm just getting to that now. We're gonna hit the bottoms up one time so we can do that side by side and let y'all see just how effective this is. Let's get to the bottoms of the Yeezy slides. All right, let's see what these looking like after that wash. Now, I mean, the way the Yeezy slide is kind of set up, you kind of got to go like vertical with it. You kind of got to go like up and down to get through the ridges at the bottom. Usually, I will brush in small circles unless I can. In this situation, I really can't brush in small circles because it's so hard because of the Yeezy slide design to get small circles. It's tough. Also, when you clean the outer soles, it's usually probably best for you to use a harder brush. The only reason why I didn't use a hard brush in this stint is because it's all foam. So the uppers is the same as the bottom. And like the harder brushes give you a deeper clean, but I felt like, you know, the soft brush will probably give me close to what I want, if not what I want. And if not, I can always go back in with the hard brush then. No, look at that outer sole compared to how it looked before, which is this. Huge difference. Huge difference. And that's just after one wash. You see that? Crazy. Now, I can go back into it and hit it with a harder brush and I probably get some better results. But I mean, this is good for me, to be honest. I'm gonna throw these on today, actually, when I head to the grocery store and go get dinner. So I'm not really too pressed on it, but I did just want to show y'all that there are ways of cleaning your Yeezy slides. Don't get me wrong. It is foam material that's very hard to clean. This is not easy to clean. You definitely need Rejuvenator in order to do it. A regular soap and water cannot get this job done. You're gonna need some actual Rejuvenator, which can be found down below. Use my link, guys. If you use my link, not only do it take you directly to the website to buy the things that I have in front of me, it also helps me out, it helps the channel out, and I appreciate you guys. So if you buy anything, if you want to screenshot the purchase and send it to me on Instagram or Twitter, I'll repost you just for looking out for your boy one time, for the one time. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any more questions about your Yeezy slides or how to clean them or what to do in certain situations, you can always find me at Instagram or Twitter, which is linked down below. Thank y'all for pulling up, man. I will catch y'all in the next one. And until next time, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, y'all? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.